What's up, guys? Got a new bike check for 2012. Got a lot of new parts, so we'll start up top. Got the Shadow Voltus bars and 9-inch rise. I cut them down to 28 inches wide. Got the ODI long necks, still holding up strong. Got the Shadow metal bar ends. Got the Shadow Strike stem. I just painted it to go with my new colors. Got the Shadow Corvus headset, Primo strand forks, stolen thermalite front peg, Eastern Classic hub laced to a Weinman rim. It's just a stock Eastern wheel basically. Fly Reuben tire, I believe it's 20 by 2.25. I got a new Fly Tierra V3 frame. I guess it's not brand new, but it's a Tierra V3. I really like it. It's light, strong, and it just feels really good. I got the animal strip seat, the Shadow post. It's got an integrated clamp. Shadow Ravenger pedals, the premium 1948 cranks, Shadow Scream sprocket, KMC drop buster chain, Eclat tech hub laced to a Eclat Bondi arrow rim, stolen thermalite on the back too, and a Duo stunner tire. Oh, I forgot my bottom bracket. I got the Shadow Corvus there as well. Back tire is 20 by 2.2. So pretty sure that's the whole thing. Let me know what you guys think. Like my new setup. Hopefully, well, it's done for now. I might get a new front rim eventually, but so anyways, there's my bike check, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Till next time, see ya.